Hey guys, hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to be sharing some exercises I have for you to achieve your edges. I'm also going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to do them correctly and how to keep your form and just have perfect edges. So if you're ready, let's go. So we're going to start off with outside edges. As a beginner, it's very hard to hold a very long edge, so we want to start with just doing outside edges on a short axis. So here you can see I'm just doing it on the short axis. I'm keeping my legs stretched behind me, and then I'm keeping it stretched in front of me. I'm not paying attention yet about the knee bend. I will come to that a little bit later. First, we just want to learn how to hold that edge. So now we're going a little bit longer, and we are going in our knee. So first we're starting with the knee, we're coming up slightly halfway, and then we're coming back in the knee as we bring the leg forward. So once again, I am starting off in my knee with my leg behind me, and then I'm going slightly up halfway, and then as I'm bringing the leg forward, I go back into the knee. My arms are following my leg. So in the second exercise, you want to make sure you're trying to incorporate a little bit of a knee bend. So now we're going really in the knee for the third exercise. So we're not following the short axis anymore. And as we are bringing the leg forward, we're making sure that our hips are under and we're not sticking our butt out. The arms and the shoulders are following the legs. So here you can see I am starting with my left side, the left arm is forward, and then I'm switching as the leg comes forward. I'm really making sure that I'm going in my knee here, and then I'm lifting really obviously, and then I go back into the knee as the leg comes forward. So same for inside edges. We're going to start off with a short axis kind of edge. So really just making sure that we have our balance and we're learning how to hold here. We're not paying attention to the knee bend. We're just holding the edge. And here the arms are a bit different, so they're kind of opposite to the legs and the arms. So here I am starting with my right side, my left arm is forward, and then as I'm bringing the leg forward, I switch the arms. So now we're going on a little bit of a longer axis. We're trying to incorporate the knee bend. So we're going in the knee, slightly up and back into the knee, really making sure our hips are under as the forward leg comes forward. And as you can see, the arms are opposite. We really need to make sure that the arms are in good form. That's just going to keep it very stable. So now for the third exercise, we're going really in the knee and then coming up and really going back into the knee. So here you can see everything correctly when it's on a longer axis. I'm really going deep into the edge here. And you want to make sure also for the outside that the insides, our leg is very stretched. Our toe is pointed here. Posture is nice. Our balance is over our knees. Our core is very strong. This will just ensure a good form. So to make our balance even better for these edges, we're just going to hold the edge around a big circle. So if your rink has circles drawn on the ice, then that's perfect. You can follow that. But I kind of had to make up my own because there aren't any here. So here I'm just holding the edge. I'm not thinking about any knee bend. My free leg is close to my standing leg. And my arms and my shoulders are in line with my hips. So once again, I'm not thinking about any knee bend. I'm just thinking about holding the edge. Same with the inside. My free leg is close to my other leg. And I'm just making sure that my balance, my posture is perfect here. This is really going to help you balance and really give you confidence to hold the edge. Alright, so we're going to make it a little bit more difficult. So we're kind of going to do a real edge here. So stretching the leg and bending the knee, and then bringing it forward and bending the knee. But we're holding everything for a half circle. So we're holding the leg behind us for a half circle, and as we bring it forward, we're holding that for a half circle. So just a really big edge in concept. And you want to do the same thing with the inside, but here our arms are opposite, as I said when we were doing with the edges. So here the arms are opposite, but our shoulders are still in line with our hips. And you want to make sure that as you're bringing the foot forward for the outside and inside edges, that your butt is not sticking out, and your legs are stretched, and your toes are pointed. So yeah, I hope you like those exercises and tips, and I hope it helps you to have good edges. And yeah, so until next time, guys, bye!